Welcome back to the Audacious Witch channel, where we talk about the magic behind the stock market. Yo, listen close. I'm about to strip the engine, cut the tension. This ain't a game, it's an intervention. I see the charts, I see the hearts breaking in the mentions bag. Holders praying for a bull run, pure suspension. Tony Stark didn't build the Mark I, mimicking Hammer. He built it obsessing on tech, ignoring the glamour. He forged the future in a cave while the rest were playing. Now look at Lulu. Tell me what the ticker's saying. Stark Industries? Nah, they're acting like Gap now, falling into the trap now. Looking at the map now. Risk comes from ignorance, blind to the path. You copy the mediocre, you're gonna feel the math.
On titties.
I feel good, I'm ready to run.
See, Lulu used to be the vibranium shield. Now it's a polyester blend in a saturated field. I've been in this game for 15 years, seen the fears, seen the bulls get slaughtered, and the bears grind the gears. They say holding for 10 years or hold for 10 minutes, but the stock is free falling, pushing the limits. Is it a discount or death spiral spin? We waiting for the bottom before we get in. From the Stark Tower tech to the bargain bin rack, Chip Wilson screaming out, we want our soul back. 185, now we go lower than that. Audacious Witch on track. Spitting facts, stat. Open the letter, Chip Wilson declaring the war. He built a culture that resonated with the core. Technical product, a system so simple a fridge could manage it. Popping a pimple of complexity. But now, culture erosion. Executives chasing the bonus, causing explosion. Resume building, margin chasing, short-term vision while the soul of the company dies in a prison of algorithms. Merchants and MBA swooping in like vultures on the dead prey. We're the adults, they claim, projecting the quarter but killing the innovation, creating disorder. They double down on what sold in the yesteryear, killing the risk-taking, operating in fear.
I don't care about the liberal agenda anymore. It's boring.
Creative people leave, the product gets boring. Wall Street cheers the expansion while ignoring the rot in the foundation, the domino effect. Store count rising, but the legacy is wrecked. Should be 100 billion cap sitting on the throne. Instead, it's a decline chilling to the bone. It's not one failure. It's a series of mistakes, a plane crash happening every time the board wakes. They dismantled the model, lost institutional knowledge, running a Fortune 500 like a community college. Switch lanes, let me engineer the telemetry. Data don't lie, it's geometry of memory. Inventory glut up 21%. Stacking the mountain, inflation wary shoppers drinking from a cheaper fountain. Discounting. Oh my God. Lulu never used to slash the price tag. Now 50 off leggings, that's a red flag in a bag. Teens pulling back cash, spending 6% less, waiting for the crash and the upper income. Supergirls, yeah, they're drifting to Aloe Yoga and Vuori. The tectonic plates are shifting. Boots on the ground at the mall said Aloe is buzzing. Lulu's facing the stall. It's a new cool kid. Lulu's for the moms at Costco. Brands equity fading, heading down the grotto. I see Jessica Alba, gym fit. Aloe cap on the head. Not a horseshoe logo in sight. Is the legacy dead? Thailand vacation, international flight. Check 3 Supergirls in Aloe, keeping the style in check. Then I see an obese guy with a Lulu X, Olympic shirt, business class seat. But the brand image hurt. When the exclusivity dies, the premium fades, and you're left holding the bag while the memory degrades. So how does the management fix it? Innovation? New fabric? Nah, they signed the NFL. It's tragic. Slapping a logo on a hoodie, calling it a play? That's a Hail Mary, hoping to see another day. Built on female-focused technical experience. Now chasing the boomers. Are they serious? Props for bringing the boomers back. Yeah, ouch. Desperation moves while sitting on the couch. Turn off the news, look at the chart. The device, transferring money from impatient to precise. Weekly chart, look at the zone. 164, that was a launch pad. The previous floor. Bounce off 177, buyers defending. But look at the yellow line. The trend is descending. A ceiling of pressure crushing the rally head him down to the valley. Keeping the tally. The bull case, hold the line. Reclaim 200. The bear case, break the floor, leave the bulls plundered. If 164 breaks, the elevator drops. Next stop 128 before it stops. That's another 25% haircut. Fading, I saw the Black Friday app. The degradation, 50% off core, that destroys the brand equity, telling me the low wasn't the bottom of inequity. So what's the move? I got a bag and Burry does too, but the next buy price is strict. How about you? Calvin McDonald, CEO on the hot seat. If the cool factor dies, he faces defeat. I think board shakeup is coming. The pressure is high, but I ain't catching a falling knife. I ain't willing to die.
Jeez, what the hell, man?
3 words of investing, margin of safety. The lower it goes, the more the bears pay me. Thank you, short sellers, for driving it down. I'll wait for the rubble to settle on the ground. My alert is set, 130 is the zone. When the valuation makes sense and the fear is known. Time horizon, 5 to 10 years. I'm patient, turnaround play, waiting for the replacement. Good things will appear. till they see the big picture or the price is a steal. I'm sitting on cash, keeping it real. Send it to 50, I don't give a shit. I'll fill the stocking with Lulu's fate. Well, the haters are mocking, cause a wonderful company can rise from the ash, but you need the temperament to handle the crash. Thank you, short sellers, for driving it down. I'll pick up the crown when it hits the ground.